Hey, poetry lovers! Welcome to Pojo, a coffee and poem pairing, my new series to make poetry hospitable for everyone. Today I'll be pairing Bird Rock Blend by Bird Rock Coffee Roasters in San Diego, California, with Stone Bird by Pattiann Rogers, not because the flavor notes of this coffee are fudge, black pepper, and red apple, but because this is a Bird Rock blend, and Pattiann Rogers' Stone Bird discusses a blend of stone birds. Stone Bird. I remember you. You're the one who lifted your ancient bones of fossil rock, pulled yourself free of the strata like a plaster figure rising from its own mold, became flesh and feather, took wing, arrested the sky. You're the one who, though marble, floated as beautifully as a white blossom on the pond all summer, who, though skeletal and particled like winter, glimmered as solid as a bird of cut crystal in the icy trees. You are red bird, sandstone wings and agate eyes at dusk. You are gray bird, polished granite and pearl eyes just before dawn. Midnight bird with a reflective vacancy of heart like a mirror of pure obsidian. You're the one who flew down to that river from the heavens, as if your form alone were the only holy message needed. You were alabaster then in the noonday sun. Once I saw you rise without rising from your prison pedestal in the garden beneath the lime tree. At that moment, your ghost in its haunting permeated every regality of the forest with light, reigned with disdain in thin air above the mountain, sank in union with the cross winds of the sea. I remember you. You're the one who entered in through my death as if it were an open window, and you were the sound of the serenade being sung outside for me, the words of which I know now are a freedom cast in stone forever. That's Stone Bird by Pattiann Rogers from her book Firekeeper Selected Poems, published in 2005 by Milkweed Editions, paired with Bird Rock Blend by Bird Rock Coffee Roasters. Thanks for listening.